Bisa kan?
Susah.
Susah banget. Let's see.
Jadi?
Gini nih.
Katanya. You grew up in Myanmar. Time to go home.
She's here for 14 years. Let's see, have a blessing to them.
Festive season, Christmas and New Year is a period in which we get together as a family. Your families are thinking of you. And I have no doubt that you'll be thinking of your families too. Just before I came in here, I met 4 of your colleagues who are nursing babies. It saddens me to see you spending time away from home. I would like to comment on the fact that today the government has seen it fit to change the name of what used to be the prison department to corrective services, correction and rehabilitation. I note that some years back the government started the Yellow Ribbon program. We support that because we want you to go back and join society. We all make mistakes. What I would like to ask you is let us learn from our mistakes. We want you back in society as better members of the community. Sa ganito na kami nakikita doon na may nikuha. And may in any case, coaching away soal diskete o pwede may una tubo natin so possibility so keke I've got a few goodies